Go to your right. Go to your right. I hope it's got a beef. A real cow. Look at that cocktail.
Turn your camera on if you want to see the cow.
My camera is on. Yeah, it's a shop. Like, it's actually a shop.
They sell everything you don't need. Honestly. They sell everything you don't need.
Downstairs here.
But then you have to go back up, huh? At the end. You have to climb at the end.
Either way, we'll have to climb.
Not as much, but still.
But here we can go do something we didn't do. It is to get some fresh air. You can walk on close to the just need to walk slightly slowly. Slightly.
It's a nice picture.
You see? What's an opportunity you have? Now you can see all the restaurants properly.
It's always dangerous for my hair to be surrounded the lens. Although it's fine. I think I'm sleeping.
Toilets now. This takes you to the toilet.
I know. Public toilet.
Yeah.
Everything is well lit.
If you can't take a nice picture now, you'll never be a great photographer.
bakalım.
That's where you stand by me. Darling, darling, stay by me. Testarossa Lounge.
Are you still filming with them?
I think so. I hope I am. Came here twice. Came here twice. Exotica. Yeah.
Loads of the bars on the beach. Luma, a restaurant. That's getting more attraction now at this time of the year. I think that better style might be relatively new.
It's actually close to the which one is it? H10 Grand Tenerife. High up there. Yeah, you need to want to stay on this side of the city in order to take full advantage of it.
This side is more upscale than college.
Yeah, that's very
It's all
rich.
by how people are dressed in the restaurants. Favorite touch.
Well, I used to think like that. You wanna walk here? Let's walk. Still have your
Well, children now are time it's usually just usually around this time I run out.
You don't take many pictures.
not 10 of each. I take one of each.
It's funny that I spent almost 1 hour looking at my surface photos that I took while you were shopping.
Yeah, they're all the same. Like you click, but
You capture
no change between the first and the 10th and the 20th.
Well, I see some changes.
Just a nice picture from here. Yeah, they're definitely building something more there. But it's not finished. Watch out, it's going to be slippery.
Here. Ooh.